Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions, your number one channel where you get solutions to all your solving problems. It's nice having you in class again today. How have you been? On today's video, we are going to show you why you need QGIS. On the channel, we've been using QGIS as the major GIS software for most of our videos. So on today's video, we are going to show you why you need QGIS on your computer, or maybe for your school or for your office or for personal use. Now the question is why QGIS? So once again, thanks for coming to class. We hope you'll be convinced before, or let's say by the end of today's video, why you need QGIS. Now let's look at a short overview. Quantum GIS, that's QGIS, is a free open source GIS software package created by the QGIS development team in 2002. It is a volunteer driven project accepting contributions from users in the form of code, tool development, bug reports and fixes, documentation, and advocacy / support. This was actually coined out from a publication. So now this is just like a simple abstract, or let's say a summary of what QGIS is all about, right? The question still persists. Why should you use QGIS? Good. The first thing is that it is free. You don't have issues with license. When you go online, the link to the download of the software will be on the description section. You just have to do what? You click on that link, you select the version. If you want to go with the latest version, you select the version, or if you want to go back to previous versions, you select your OS, and then you are good to go. You just download, you install, and then you continue with your GIS activity. So there are no costs for any licenses associated with it. This saves you a lot of cost, which can facilitate other tasks, right? Good. Perhaps you can support solving solutions with with some other, let's say, maybe what you would have used for license or thereabout. Good. So that's one reason why you need why you need QGIS. Now the next reason is that it is compatible with almost all the OS. It is compatible with Windows, macOS, Linux, and Android. So I believe majority of users, PC users, uses this OS, which means you don't have any problem with compatibility. Oh, I cannot download on my system because my system is on Windows or Mac OS or Linux or Android. No, you are covered, right? Good. So that's another reason why you need why you need QGIS. Now, before we continue, there's actually a training coming up, and is hosted by Solving Solutions, right? You would have been seeing it on different platforms, definitely our platforms, or maybe some of you helping us to share it and publicize. Now it's a 4-day GIS training where we are going to use or maybe apply QGIS. So we are having the training on Telegram video chat on the 5th and 6th of February, and then 12th and 13th of February. It's actually Saturdays and Sundays for those 4 days, right? So it was supposed to go for $20, but we have actually reduced it to the promo price. So the earlier you go for it, the better it is. So we have actually reduced it to $5. Now you are going to learn how to easily download topo maps from anywhere, how you can successfully import any raster data just like the topo map, how to get like the coordinates on your map grading or whatever we want to call it, how to use it for georeferencing, downloading shape files, and as many information as you can see on the flyer. So the link to registering for that particular training, or for this training rather, is still on the description section, where you can actually support us by paying for that training. Thank you very much. Now let's move on. The next reason why you need QGIS rather, is that it is available, or let's say you can have different versions, multiple versions of QGIS on your computer. Availability of versions. Just like we said here, we have two versions of QGIS on our computer right now. Now we needed, okay, we were on a project and then we needed a more recent version. So what we did was that we just went to download that version without uninstalling the previous version we had on our system. So you can always go back to your older versions. Perhaps you have something to get from it, or you know whatever you want to get from it, you can go back to it and then get it, and still come back to the recent version, and you still what? And you still continue. The next reason why you need QGIS is that it has many plugins. It has what? Many plugins. Just external, would I say, enhancements that help your softwares to work better. Let's use that. So it has many plugins, and this helps to process data with more ease, right? Good. It also offers the plugin library with the entire list of plugins that can help you with supplemental functionalities. That's just awesome. When you want to carry out a particular analysis, and then you need what? You need a set of plugins, and you just go to the library, or maybe you go to the library and you see the plugins there, you just install it and you go on. Perhaps if you can also add your own, maybe you can also add yours, right? Good, because I know you can do it. Then the next thing is that QGIS is a community software, which we have actually cited earlier. It is open for everyone to add to its functionality, thereby enhancing the user experience. Now, it's not closed. What happens on QGIS depends on you and I. Okay, when we see something on it and we know we want to fix it, we can easily fix it, because the better the QGIS, the better our tags on it. So we try to make sure we ensure that our user experience is always good. So it is open for you and I to add to it what functionality. Therefore, it is not what? It is not closed. Good. Another reason why you need QGIS is that, as we said, it is open and a community software. Therefore, it has constant updates. So you don't wait for maybe few months, maybe some years, not up to some years though. You don't wait for long, before ever you get updates. Maybe while I'm working on it, or while you're working on it, and you see a particular bug you need to fix, or whatever the case is, you can actually submit the necessary codes, and then there will be the updates you need. So this particular feature, that it is a community software and it's open, it makes the updates on the software to be easy, to be fast, and you don't need to wait for long before ever you have those updates. So we have been able to cite a few reasons why you need QGIS, and we know that you have been using it, and you know that it is actually a very, very good software for you to have on your system, right? Good. Now, just a reminder that we have this training going on. Please support us by registering for the training. You have seen the information on the flyer, and then the link to the registration will be on the description section. We are actually having the training on via Telegram video chat, right? Good. Another awesome feature from Telegram. So we expect to see you on the training very soon. So thanks for watching and registering for the training. We are going to see you in class very soon, and thanks for coming to this class in particular. We hope we have provided solution to this particular solvent problem on why you need QGIS, right? Good. So we'll see you again on our next video. Until then, keep being good at what you're doing, and have a nice time. Bye.